Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is United Nations General Assembly adopts resolution on multilingualism and mentions Hindi for the first time. So now let's start our video. In a significant initiative, the United Nations General Assembly UNGA has adopted an India-sponsored resolution on multilingualism that mentions the Hindi language for the first time. The resolution passed recently encourages the UN to continue disseminating important communications and messages in official as well as in non-official languages, including in Hindi language. And regarding to this, India's permanent representative to the United Nations, Ambassador T.S. Trimurti, said that this year for the first time the resolution has a mention of Hindi language. The resolution also mentions Bangla and Urdu for the first time. And India welcomes these additions. Trimurti also said that multilingualism is recognized as a core value of the United Nations and expressed gratitude to the Secretary General for prioritizing multilingualism. Now, let me tell you that India has been partnering with the UN Department of Global Communications, that is DGC, since 2018 by providing an extra budgetary contribution to mainstream and consolidate news and multimedia content in the Hindi language. And as per these efforts, Hindi at the UN project was launched in 2018 with an objective to enhance the public outreach of the United Nations in the Hindi language and to spread greater awareness about global issues among millions of Hindi-speaking populations around the world. Now, we will understand some important points or facts about United Nations General Assembly. The United Nations General Assembly, that is UNGA, is one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations and also the main policy-making organ of the organization. Comprising all member states, it provides a unique forum for multilateral discussions of the full spectrum of international issues covered by the Charter of the United Nations. Each of the 193 member states of the UN has an equal voting right, and Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish are the 6 official languages of the United Nations. And let me tell you that the English and French being the working languages of the United Nations Secretariat. So this is all about the topic. Thanks for watching.